Hi guys, this is our another lesson. I will just give you the explaining for about that in which lesson. I mean, it will be like programming conditionals 3.1. I mean part 3.1. So sorry, 3.2 because we did 3.1. So in this lesson, you already learned about and or logic in nested way and in special way. Now in this lesson you will learn about not operator in nested and in special way in JavaScript and in Python. Everything will be very nice for you. And after that we will apply all of them in a one point. And we have practice questions. Just I will give you a task for that. Some task maybe you can do it and after that you can put in comments and I can see them and after that we can continue under surveillance situation, right? All right. So using the not operator, we can reverse the true value of an entire expression from true to false or false to true, right? Just we need to change the operators, I mean, right? Imagine a university wants to send a warning only to those students who are not eligible for graduation. There are fair ways to implement that logic with nested conditionals. One way is to create if-else conditionals using the previous condition for graduation eligibility, so and not put any instructions inside the if block. All right, so let's come here. All right, I think here, yeah. If cumulative GPA greater than 2.0, right? Total units greater than or equals to 120, do nothing. All right, it will be like an else condition, okay? Like else instructions. So do nothing else, send email. Like we can say if cumulative GPA is greater than 2.0 and total units greater than or equals to 120, do send email. It is same like we put here in else condition. Anyway, it will be a little bit complicated, but don't worry about it, okay? That code is big word and unnecessarily long. So we really like to avoid writing code like that. This is not logical too much. I mean, we can do it, but it is not good. All right. So maybe you'll see, like you'll say, why this send email with the parentheses? This is something else. We saying function, like we creating function. Sorry, this is my earnings. So this is our function and we have some instructions inside these functions. When we put it like that, we know we have something else in our function. Okay, anyway, we will speak it later. I will teach you. That approach is much better. It's shorter and readable if the cumulative. So I mean this one. Now it's in here. We just changing the operator side direction to the left side. I mean, let's see it. It is very clear. You can see that. Look, in here we're saying greater and greater equal. Do nothing. If we change it to this side, like less than or equal or less than 120, this is just we changing the operator direction, right? And what happened now? We can send email. It is mildly than other because we don't need to write there so do nothing and after that in else like do something else like a send email. This is not logical, so just we can do it with a just one dash code. We don't need to write a lot of codes there. So that approach is much better. It's shorter, readable if the cumulative GPA is less than or equal to 2.0 or the units completed are less than under 20, then send email, right? That's mindly. The not operator gives us a third way. However, we cannot the entire original expression. In JavaScript, the not operator is represented by a single exclamation point. I mean, I will show you, and needs to be placed in front of expression to negate. So what does mean? It means that. Let me show you right here. Let me take my pencil. Yeah. Did you see in here exclamation mark? In here, okay, you can see that. So first we opening our parentheses, and after that we putting to represent not with the exclamation mark, because we saying here not. Look, our operator is like a greater than 2.0, right? And greater than or equals to something else like 120. In this case, if we put this not like exclamation mark, and if we put parentheses and all this expressions, if be inside, I mean conditionals, if be inside this, I mean this representing this parenthesis exactly, right? All this guys it's representing, I mean this one is the key exclamation mark, all them all those of this codes into our exclamation mark parentheses, it will be reverse, not will make it this side like this direction, and will make it like that, not means that. Okay, so if we didn't add it there, if we didn't put it here, then what will happen? It would have it would be like same. I mean like that, right? Or we need to write something like that. But when we put it exclamation mark, it will automatically will change the greater to less and greater or equals to less than or equals. Okay, it will make it like that. You'll understand. Okay, don't worry. And send email. It has just one code. Like this code will explain everything in this task. The code will use this parentheses to make sure not that apply to the entire component expression and not just to one of the conditions. This code can be read as if it is not the case that the cumulative GPA is greater than 2.0 and the units completed are less 120 then sent email. It's up to you which of two of the two good approach you use. I mean, think this is better or just change operator direction anyway. So this depends on you, depends on your perspective. Both of logically equivalent. You could decide to never use not in your own expressions, but you will certainly run into it programs of others. So it's important to able to understand it. I mean, what? Maybe you will write it like this, greater than or equal, and after that you will put there some else. But someone doing it like that, someone putting their exclamation mark, because this guy is updating their mind every time. Like if there are some beneficial, then they will get maximum beneficial from this supply good things, right? Anyway, just know it. Don't forget. In Python, we don't have it. Just we have not. Like we writing not. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right. Check your understanding. Let's check your understanding. Consider this code snippet. If temperature, we will read it like what? Let's check it. We have exclamation mark here. I mean, what it will do? What will it do? It will change direction of these operators because we are talking about negative negate like not, we are looking for not condition. Okay, and this one will go like that, it will make it the same. Oh, but it will be like that. I mean, 1 minute, I will show you. So like that, not equals, I mean, you know. So, print gardening day. So, if temperature is greater than 70 and not equals to rain, okay, not equals to rain, then do, by the way, we can put one more in JavaScript. It will work. In Python, just will put like that. Print gardening day. So, temperature have to be greater than 70 and weather have to be anything else but not rain, okay? Weather can be sunny and the temperature can be 80 or 80 or 90 or 110. But if the user input there, like add there, append there, like a 60 and the rain, or just 60, because we have or condition here, right? So it can be, so one of them have to be true. We don't need to make all of them true. So just we need one true condition in here because we have or. Anyway, weather can be rain and temperature can be 80 in this case. Or weather can be rain, but in this case we have not, I mean, cannot be rain, let's say sunny, and it can be like 965. It will work again. So gardening day. All right. So let's come down. I mean to here. All right. In which situations this code will call declare that it's a gardening day? I mean, it will work. Choose all that apply. Okay. When the temperature is 72 and the weather is raining. So would you like to do it like that? And after that, we can go for the practice. I mean, into JavaScript. I mean, VS Code. So if temperature is 72 and the weather is raining, it will not work because why? Or 1 minute. If not temperature less than 70, it will be like 72. Okay, it will work. And the weather is not raining. Alright, it will work because it can be greater than 70. It will work. True. Bam. When the temperature is 72, alright, weather is cloudy, alright, it will work again because we have or. One of them can be true. In this case, we have two true condition. When the temperature is 92 and the weather is sunny. So in this case, what will happen? It's saying if not rain, I mean, and it can be sunny. Then if the sunny, it is true. I mean, second condition true, first condition false. I mean, it will work because we have or in here, right? When the temperature is 62 and the weather is raining. In this case, it will not work because it is not greater than 70 because we are looking for exclamation mark, I mean not conditions. So temperature is 62 is not good for it and weather is raining. So all things like so if you get this exclamation mark from here, it will work very nice, but we have not. I mean it will make else something. Okay? I hope you got it. Let's do practice and see what will happen. Come here, this is our JavaScript. Let's go to the app and put here weather, water, weather. All right, let's come down and what we will do, we'll say first, we have variables toward temperature. All right, equals prompt, put it in here something. Let's say please enter temperature, right? Okay. And what we have, we don't have anything. Oh, we have also weather or weather. Say prompt is enter weather situation. Oh, we can do like what? Look, guys, if we say if, after that, put it like that. If temperature is less than 70, okay? Or I will do it also in nested way, you will see that, okay? Or weather is equals to what? Rain, right? Rain, do something else. What we need to do here? Console.log, but before console.log, let's say text equals what garden day, right? Garden day. So we don't need else for now, just wait. I will show you else situation too, but before that, let's put it here. Word display, right? Document dot get element by ID. Say whether, say inner HTML, say text. What happened? Oh, we need to put here or lat or const or anything else. I didn't know what you want to put there. Text. And after that, say console.log display. Say else. Show you all of them in nested and in normal way. I mean in special way. Else what? Word text to it is gardening day. Gardening day. Alright. Don't write a lot of codes. Just do it like that. It is easier way, right? Okay. So we have two variables and we put all this information. Now let's look what will happen if we put there 65 and rain. That's it. Let's say 65 and rain gardening day. Because it is true conditions, right? But what if we put here our exclamation mark? Let's see what will happen. Bam and bam. Let's try it. Else conditions will work. Let's say 65 and rain. Undefined. Why undefined? Oh, okay. Let's put your text here. I know where is the problem. 65 and rain. It's not happening. Okay. But why else conditions work right now? we just put like 65. Oh, that's true because this is less than 70 and the weather rain. That's all true. Why? Why else conditions work in here? All operator get because about exclamation mark. It makes it else, okay? Else. It means else and this exclamation mark, it is the same. When we put it here, it will make it else, and else will be if in this case. Okay? It will change all situation. Let's do it. Like what? Let's do it. Temperature is greater than 70, which means 75, and weather can be something else. It doesn't matter because we have or here. It can be like one of the condition can be true. Okay. Let's say cloudy. Let's say 75 and cloudy. Gardening there. You see that? Our operators looking here, but we put 75 and we put cloudy. And it is not equals to rain. Weather is equals to cloudy and temperature is greater than 75. Right? 70, sorry. Did you see that? Did you see these details? It makes like that and like that. Now, if we do same stuff without it, let's see what will happen. Let's do it. 75 clothing, gardening then. You see? Not making same job in here. What if we put here not again? What exclamation mark, I mean? It will not work. Anyway, I don't want to blow your mind too much like that. I believe you are not blame, right? Everything nice. I hope you understood. Else conditions will work when you make it less than 70 or the rate. Okay? It means that. So amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's close that one. All right. Oh, sorry. Just close this, guys, because I will show you now in nested way. I really want to teach you that, guys. All right. Now what we will say. First, say if temperature, right? If temperature is, not do like that. Temperature is less than what? 70. Or, oh, did you see or our crazy order? So, in this case, what we have to do? Let's open your mind. Or something else. What? What? It will be same thing, right? We will write same thing because it is or. Someone will work. What do you think? What it will be? We need to write same things, right? If it is like that, or what? Let's try it. Do you think it will check all situations step by step? What if we put it like else, and if we do it like if again, and if we say not whether, if whether, do you think it will work? If temperature is less than 70 and it is equals to rain, what? And what? Do what? So what we need to do in here, if temperature is like that, do what? And if weather is equals to rain, do what? So let's say, let's put it here, not, and put for here parenthesis like that. And let's come here back and let's put it like that and do it and do same stuff in here. What will happen? All right. So let's tag it. Put it here. Tag it back. Take this guy. Come here back. Put it here. Take this guy one more. Bring it back. All right. Good. So look for the else. Let's say for here else. Do what? It is not gardening day, right? Do what? So what we'll do in here, we'll get this codes, right? So, I mean this one from there, and we will come inside it, and we'll put there. Right. That's right. Before that, let's open this codes. Do you think it will work like that? What do you think? Can it work? Do you think it happened here or not? What do you think? Let's try it. Oh, I mean, we'll wait it 1 minute. Is everything okay? All right. I think we need to do cancel. Cancel, I mean. Yeah. Now the condition like what? We need to do 70, like 7. Let's try first for the not condition. So I mean let's do it 65 and weather cloudy. 65 cloudy gardening day. First condition work, right? So sorry, second condition work. Let's say all them wrong. 65 and rain. Rain? Is that rain? Oh, rain. Just rain. Not gardening day. Did you check it? Did you understand what I did? All conditions wrong and it's not gardening day. Work for it, right? It works. It is amazing. Let's say the first condition false. Let's do it. First conditions false. 65. Second one, yeah, we do it. We did gardening. Anyway, so let's do it. 75 and rain. It will work again. Let's add. Let's come back and do the same job. Oh, that's shit. Close it. And say 75 and rain. Work. Then we say 65 rain. What will be? It's not gardening. This conditions work. So we can do or like that. Else, check another condition. If one of them true, run it. Because we have codes in that, right? What? So did you see like the first conditions when didn't work, it will check the second condition in else. I mean, yeah, it will be or in this case. So I mean, if temperature is greater than 75, or if weather not equals to rain, do it. Else, do another thing. I mean, it works. I hope you understood. Well, let's do it in Python. Oh, it makes me too much tired, but guys, I really like to teach you. Temperature is equals input. Oh, come on. Please enter temperature. And what we need to do, don't forget it, integer. Python it is not. It is like that. And whether will be string. So for that we don't need to put anything else. And is enter weather situation. Alright. Alright, it will be string. If you want you can write their string to not mixed up. I'm not sure. Let's say the first with the specially if temperature, yeah, if not, let's say if not temperature, or so we can do it in one point, or yeah, let's do it like that. If in this case it will be exclamation mark like that, okay? If temperature is less than 70, which means like greater than 70, because we have not here, it makes it else. Or sorry, it is not or, it's or. Weather is what? Rain equals to rain, which means not rain. It will be another thing. I mean, yeah, do something else. What we need to do here, guys? Give me advice. Gardening day, right? Print gardening day. Yeah. Else print it is not gardening day. Not guard, not guard. Gardening day. Yeah, let's run it. What will happen? Oh my god. I just saved the pages. What happened? You showed me in that shit. Sorry. Yeah. Why? I don't want to do it. Alright, let's do it. Enter temperature. I will enter temperature. Yeah, please enter cumulative GPA. Sorry. Oh my god, sorry. I just forgot to close this guy. So, why you gaming, man? Let's close this shit. Why it's not saving to page? I mean, something. Oh, it's asking about this, guys. Let's come on. Close. Oh, come here right now and go down. Do it like save and run it. I don't want to enter cumulative GPM, man. All right, please enter temperature. Let's enter temperature like we will print out the else conditions. But do you think it will work like that? Yeah, we can do it. Temperature is less than 70. Okay, let's say 65. Normally it have to be greater than 70 for the first if condition have to work. But we put there not because not will make it greater than 70. The temperature variable have to be greater than 70 and weather have to be something else, not rain. But in this case, we will do like that and say rain. It is not gardening day. You see? What if we do it like 75? And let's say cloudy, it's like doesn't matter. Or just rain. That's only rain. Let's say 75, first condition true, second condition false. Because we have or here. Just don't forget this is or. In JavaScript, we have two lines like that. And not will be that, right? Okay, in Python it is like that. And let's say 75 and this one rain. It will work again. It's not gardening day. Oh, sorry, what happened? 1 minute. Let me do it again. The first condition have to be 75 true. Second condition can be rain. Not gardening day. Why it works like that? We said equals. If not equals something else, then why you doing it like that? Gardening day. Why? Um, if not less than 70, then say 780 is true. All right. Weather can be or weather can be rain, not rain. Okay. Okay, let's try another thing. If let's say less than this or weather or not weather, let's do it like that. What will happen? I'm not sure, but just I will try my best. Hmm. It's just confusing. I mean, 18 rain. Ah, gardening. Okay, I need to put the not for this and for another again. Like I think because it doesn't work. I'm not sure. But now it works. So the first condition true. It is greater than 70. I mean, in this case, not will make this operator greater, and it will be 80. 80 be like greater than 70, and whether in this case we put rain and it's saying not have to be rain. So we did rain, and it is a false condition normally. Normally it have to be like cloudy or sunny or something else, but we did rain again. So, but what happened? The first condition true for that or works in here. Let's say all of them wrong. Two wrong condition. Let's say 65 and cloudy. Oh, no, rain. It's not gardening day. Right, it works. Let's do it with a with another way. Tag this or in here, inside it, and say else and oh sorry, do else, but put here another print. What I did, close it. Else or elif. You can use also elif. In this case, I'm just showing you in an nested way. Else if not weather equals to rain something else, do this print in, and else will work in here for this. Yeah, I think it will work. Let's try it. Let's do first condition true. Let's say 75. Second condition, not rain. We will say rain. It will be wrong. Rain. Gardening day. Because first condition true and else if making true this one. Or let's say the first condition false, the second one true. Let's do it. Let's run it. Let's say 65. In this case, it will be false. And it can be cloudy. Cloudy, right? Second condition true. Did you see? One of them have to be true, then it will work. And look for the else, what we can do to make it wrong. Let's say 65 and cloudy. 65 and rain. Rain? No, it have to be rain. Sorry, just it's not rain. It's rain. It's not gardening. Right, it works. Did you see that? It works. I showed you in two-way, right? You see that? Um, okay, we did. Let's go back to the here. All right, this one not true. This is wrong. All together now. What together? All right, we will look for all. All right, now we will do all together now. Okay. We can combine the and or not operators in our conditionals to implement more complex logic. Yeah, we can do it. By the way, I'm eating apple. Sorry for that. Imagine a high school that requires their students to pass biology and pass either chemistry or physics. We can write a program that checks for that in a single component expression. All right, where is it? If biology grade greater than 65 and chemistry grade greater than 65 or physics grade greater than 65, do something else. All right, you know how to do it, right? If something else like that, first if will be like that, and it's saying and will be nested. I mean, in this if, another we will put another if in here, right? And chemistry, and in here, after n, we'll say if chemistry grade greater than 65, or will be like what? We'll put here else. I will represent it like that. And we will put another if in here. And we will say if physics grade greater than 65, do something else in here, right? Else will be in here, right? Do another thing. It will be something like that. I just made some, how to say, I just made diagram. I mean, so you can see it like that. With the special operators, it is already like that. Notice the use of parentheses around our expression. Yeah, right. Because we can separate the meaning of these guys with the simple way. Like we can separate with the parentheses, it will be nice. Because if we didn't make it, if we didn't make it, and after that it will be mixed up with the and or everything together. We need to separate it because we have two conditions here, and we want to make them, or like one condition can work in this case, but in here, and biological grade have to be greater than 65, and chemistry grade or physics grade have to be greater than 65. This is our condition, okay? Just like arithmetic operators, logical operators have an order of operations, was not then and then or. If we had left R to parentheses above, the computer would end the first two conditions and then or the result of that with the final condition. A logically different expression always use parentheses to make sure that the computer evaluates the conditions in the expected order, right? That's true. Let's come down. What I did. We can also not that entire expression. Yeah, all operators same. Just we will put it here. The biological rate less than 65, it will be like that, and n will be same. Chemistry grade will be less than 65, or physics grade have to be less than 65, right? Then it will show up like that. So we can use all these operators like special syntax, I mean exclamation mark, or and if, like and, sorry, and here, not here, or here. This is in special, and we can do it in nested way too, right? All right. Compound expressions can be intimidating when you first look at them, especially if you are new to programming and still learning the various operators. Uh-huh. And what? Various operators. You may find it helpful to translate the expression into written speech. For example, we can write the above as if it is not the case that the biological grade is passing and that either the chemistry grade is passing or the physics grade is passing, then the science requirement is not specified. I mean, this is pseudocode, like human understanding, like in the same way with the text. It's still mouthful, but it's slightly more approachable mouthful, right? The program below uses compound booleans to plan activities for certain days and times of day. Try to change the conditionals so that it shows your on timed activities instead. All right, we will do that together, okay? That will be perfect. All right, now in here we have two variables, current day and current time. We'll specify everything in the case, like just the user will input there some days, and some time, and the computer will say, let's watch a movie, swimming time, and do another stuff, like a chat. Okay, what do we need to do? We will use all these operators for our work. Okay, let's come down. In here, right? What we can do? Maybe we can get this code, or can we write another time? So, all right, let's do it. In here, let's do in JavaScript. Yeah. Or current day. Sorry. Then say prompt, please enter, please enter what? Current day. Alright, the second one will be your current time. Time. Prompt, prompt, please enter correct current time. Alright, now let's say for make it for Tuesday, but by the way, we have also Monday there, right? It's starting from Tuesday? Oh, okay. Let's say if current day is Tuesday, Tuesday, mm-hmm, Tuesday, and I will do it all also in nested way, okay? And what? All right. Let's say and. No, let's separate it because we have what? We have or operator there, right? Like or syntax. To a line. So, sorry. So we have another end, but if we put all these ends like that, it will not be good because uh, the first condition and another condition will be in different evaluation, okay, for the computer. Let's do it. If current time, because for the time we will use different methods. Let's say for current time greater or equals than what? 20, which means like 8, and another end, current time less than 11, right? 23. Yes. If you want, let's tag it in here like that. It will work again, don't worry. You can say, let's watch a movie. All right. In this case, what we'll do, mm, mm, we will put there for the ID like info. It will give information after our work. All right. Do something else, but I don't want to write a lot of codes like before. Let's tag this guy in here and just change something else. Open it. Let's say word text, and let's say what? Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. Right? Movie. Okay. Display info. ID will be info and text. And okay. Display. Second one. So it will be like do another condition. If. Oh, by the way, we don't need to write a lot of codes. Let's come here and put this guy like that. Send it back. Current day is Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Or something will change in here. We'll say or current day. Um, Current day equals Friday. All right. We want to do something together 2 times. All right. We'll put here one more paragraph. And sorry, what paragraph? Or do this guys. Take this guy here and put it there. Current day can be Wednesday or Friday, it doesn't matter. I mean, so okay, let's say it Friday. All right, and close this paragraph because we will look another condition right now. Say and what? Current time is greater than 2 or equals not, yeah, equals, all right, and current time is less than or equal to what? Yeah, and what we need to do in Friday and or Wednesday between 2 and 4 p.m. Yeah, I think, yeah, between 2 or 4 p.m. You can swimming. Let's say swimming. Right, let's say text one, this is text one, and alright, it will be same. So the another one for Friday. Let's take this code. Really, it will be very tiring mode to write a lot of codes. It's more for understanding. I mean, Um, so, by the way, what it's staying like. Alright, just tag it in here and in clip. By the way, what we need to do, we need to get it this one. After that, we need to put inside here because it will not work like a print line. I mean, tag it here and go there like that. Alright, it will work now. That will be nice. Okay, let's run it. What will happen? Something wrong? Where is the wrong? Mm, in current day. Something wrong in here. What is wrong? If current day. Where is the wrong? Ah, HTML? What's wrong with HTML? this. No, no, this. All right. What is wrong in here? I open it. No, let's say this place not closed. All right, works. Hi, soul bug. I like to solve this bugs, and I'm debugger. So let's run it. Go practice part. Boom. So let's look for the first condition. If it is Tuesday and time is like 21, let's say between like because it is between 8 and 11, we can say 9. All right, let's watch a movie. Yeah, it works for here. Yeah, let's do something different. Let's say the first condition true, the second one is false. Let's say Tuesday and 24, I think, because we don't have any condition for it. So it works. For the look for the another one. It can be Friday or Wednesday. Let's start with the Friday. So first condition wrong, the second one true. This one true. We did for this. And what? Current time greater than 2 and less than 4, let's say 3. Let's say 15. Swimming. Works. Did you see that? All have to be true there. In the second, in here, I mean. In here, one of them can be true, another can be false. It can be Friday or Wednesday. But in here, we have also Friday. Let's do in the Friday. Look, in Friday, we have also here Friday, right? Let's do time between 7 and 9. Let's say 8. All right, let's say 8. Friday, because two conditionals sharing same day in here. Look, the first one in here, but the time have to be between 2 and 4. But in here we have Friday again, the time have to be between 9 and 7. I mean, let's say 8. Like 20. So did you see that? I say Friday, like let's say 3. It was, well, then why it's saying same thing? All right, swimming. But we put here 2 times swimming. It is not swimming. Like let's go disco. Disco. Let's say Friday, 8 p.m. Swimming. This time, no, why it's swimming? Let's go disco. Say let's go. Oh, text 1, maybe it's about that. I'm not really sure. Text 2. Okay, let's say text 2. Let's do it again. Alright, Friday, 20. Let's go disco. Okay, it works. Hey guys, I want one thing from you. Let's take this and do here inside it if and tackle this guys in here, and it's saying here also again. And what we need to do again, you will say if, so I mean inside it, and yeah, let's go in here. Sorry, here you will is first you will do, this is end, you will do inside it if, after that you will put if current time something else, if current time is greater than 19, and you will come again here and you'll go inside it and you'll put again if, like that. Okay, or you can just separate with what end, one end, like this, guys. And after that, you will continue like that, okay? Do for same thing. I mean, current time, blah blah blah. Let's come here. Yeah, go here. Let's say else, like else, and after that, go inside it and put if, and it's saying and. In this case, come inside it, and in this case, let's say like if, and do some stuff like that. Okay. I know you know all of them. Please, you can do it in nested way too. I believe you. In Python, do same stuff I showed you. This is the task for you. I already showed you something, right? Everything easier and same. You know that, right? Just in Python, put integer for the input side, for the current day, because it will be string. It is already string, but for the current time, let's put integer for the Python, okay? Like that. Everything same here. Do all, guys, and separate something else in this case. Let's say current day to Tuesday, and yeah, and current time greater than 8, and current time less than 23, which means 11. So it can be anything else between these times, okay? It means that everything have to be true in this case. You can separate it too, okay? It will be nice for you to make these operations from yourself. All right, this is your task. Let's take screenshot for here. Do it. Yeah, look, a lot of things in here. Logical operators and logic gates. At the hardware level, computers implement logical operators using logic gates. Yeah, I will show you. A logic gate is a physical piece of hardware that performs an and or not operation as well as other Boolean operations. Logic is a fundamental part of the computer hardware and computer software, so it's great that you are learning it now. Logical operators in pseudocodes. The logical operators in pseudocode are very straightforward. They are written as and or not. Okay, condition 1 and condition 2. Condition 1 or condition 2, not condition. So the first evaluates to true if both condition 1 and condition 2 are true. Otherwise, evaluate to false. Everything have to be true, I told you, or false. It will evaluate to false. Yeah. So for the or, evaluates the true if either condition 1 or condition 2, can be true. So evaluates to false only if both are false. All right. Evaluates the true if condition is false. Evaluates the true false if condition true. Yeah, it can be if something true in here. If saying not true, it will be false. Let's do it like that. It will be false. If condition not true, it will be false. If we say false, then it will be true. If condition not false, it will be true, right? It is like else. You know that. It may be complicated. It looks like complex, but not. Just memorize them. Here, a few code snippets from above written pseudocode. In pseudocode, it is also like that. If SB grade greater than or equals to 75 or prograde, it is same, you know. In pseudocode, it is like that. Display will be like in computer console.log or print, and it is greater than end here, and 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 our not in here, this is like exclamation mark, okay? All right, this is your task guide. Guys, condition like compound booleans with logical operators, practice questions. Let's use all of them, but before that, I would like to show you one thing. Also text screenshot for this image. I will show you. Let's see it. Also, I will add it in a comment if I can. All right. Where is it? Yeah. Text screenshot for it. From here. Yeah. This one. And this one. Let's separate them. This one for OR logic gates. This one for AND logic gates with the nested way and the operation operate like with the nested way and with the special way. I mean with the like that and their logic gates in here and their examples in here and for the OR their logic. Also, you can use like else if like that in Python elif, in JavaScript else if, or let's do it nested. And it is or logic gates for or like that. And you can see here what does it mean. Logic gates and logic gates and their meaning in JavaScript. You will put two lines in Python. You making it or. This is for not. Let's take for screenshot for it too. Nested conditional with not, else. I mean this is like else, okay? Else mean not mean else. If you make if not, then it will be else. And else condition will work like if. The logic is if you put 0, it will be 1. If you put 1, it will be 0 for the not. Okay? If you say not 0, it will be 1. If you say not 1, it will be 0. Okay? And special with the in JavaScript, if it is exclamation mark and after that open parenthesis like that. But first parenthesis, then exclamation mark, and open again parenthesis inside it. And put your conditions in here, okay? You can say conditions. And if not condition, like if condition 1 and condition 2 or condition 3 and condition 4 not true, then do something else. It means not. Yeah, it will work like else. Anyway, just take screenshot for here and they will be helpful in the future to understand everything correctly. Believe me, everything is hierarchy and you need to know it. I will share this into comment and you'll see all of them, okay? All right, this is task for you. Let's check it. This program uses a conditional to predict the hair type of a baby. So it is curly straight wavy. Like, let's do it. Let's apply what you learned in this conditionals, like nested conditionals. Um, I mean, like in conditionals, what you learned, apply everything, answer everything, and make this exam perfectly and share with me your feelings or your feedbacks, okay? This is exam for you. But now, they just stop video for now, okay? Exam. All right, take this one. And okay, text screenshot or stop video in here. After that, let's come down. Yeah, the question is that in which situations will hair type be wavy? Wavy? I mean, it's talking about here. So if, else, if, and in else we have if, it's looking like or, which one is true, like checking step by step. Yeah, our like positive, negative, and another like this example. And not that there may be answer two, just find multiple answers there. Maybe there will be multiple answers and find it, okay? Let's stop video and do it. Come down. This is second. So first question, and now look for the second question. Second question is that maybe I can go return the video like here. This program uses a conditional to determine if seafood is safe to consume. Okay, you're looking for this seafood and to determine safe to consume, safe to for check it. Okay, safe, unsafe. So we have seafood variable and days frozen variable. Let's put their like prompt or input for the Python and just check the situation. It's saying or in this case, it's like Python, and in exclamation mark will be in JavaScript. In Python, it will be like or you can do it like nested ways. I don't know which technique you'll use. Put the rating and da, 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 da. Anyway, this is exam for you again, like before. Yeah, exam questions. And let's come down what's asking in which situations will the rating be safe. So we are looking for this case like mollusk. Seafood have to be like mollusk and or day frozen have to be greater than or equal to 7, like as 8 or 9, something else. Or it can be anything different and it can be greater than 8 because if this is different and the day frozen is 6, it will not work. It will be unsafe. Not that there may be multiple answers to this question. Again, same. So yeah, you can find the best solution in here. Stop video and check here. Okay, do your best. Three. Yeah, this is looking like little bit complicated, but it is easy, not complex. If x less than 0 and y less than 0, it have to be true. All condition have to be true in here. Like what does mean? These two condition have to be true because why? If x less than 0, so I mean it have to be -1, and y less than 0, it have to be like -2. It cannot be like like +1, I mean 1 or 2. If it is the first condition is -1 and the second one is 1, it will not work. Everything have to be minus something else. It will be quadrant, I mean it will be BL. Else if, let's do it like or, if x less than 0 and y greater than 0, it will be TL. In this case, it can be -1 and it can be 1, 2, 3, something else. And if it is not like that, so if not all of them true, or like a or, else if put x greater than 0, x greater than 0, and y less than 0. In this case, x can be 1, 2, 3, 4 for positive numbers, and y can be like -1, 2, 3 for something else. It will be BR, and else if, or like, or if x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, it will be TR. In this case, everything can be positive in here. Okay, this is good example to make it good. Yeah, what is saying? A programmer uses the nested conditional and online graphic calculator. When x is 52 and y is -23, x is 52, it is greater than this, okay, and y is -23, which means like here it will be BR, this one, okay, this one. Let's check it. I just helped you. Anyway, this is example again for you. Let's do it. I made it already, but let's try it with the programmatical way. It will be nice for you. The time for a baby indicates for babies to weight less than 25 pounds. And pounds mean like kilos and are less than 30 inches tall. Okay, the variable weight represents by weight in pounds. The variable height represents by 13 inches. So it will be very nice for you to understand this logical way. Which of the following expressions evaluates the truth baby meets the criteria? It's saying only used for babies that weight less than 25. Weight have to be less than 25. Yeah, weight less than 25. Yeah, this one. Or n n less than 30 inches tall and less than 30 inches. It's saying less than 25. It is here. Height. One of them can be true, but in this case, it's saying with less than 24 and or less than 30 and or less than 30 inches tall. Okay, in this case, it will be and not or. Uh, less than 30. Okay, but not will make it bigger. Other that. Okay, it's saying not. Wait, it have to be less than 25. That's true, and not height less than 30 inches tall. It will be true. Yeah, this one will be true. See. The another one saying this equal and greater than or equal means making me crazy, but we have or here, so it have to be less than because it's saying less than, not equal. Like it can be 24 or 23, let's say like that. In this case, uh, it can be equal to 25. It is not good. All right, let's do it. This is your job. See this one. Okay, let's do it and show me what you did. Exam there. All right. Yes, guys, it's finished. Our another topic will be what? Are you exciting to see what is our another topic? I will show in a minute. Just give me time. Where is it? Yeah. Our another topic will be logical equivalence, and we have five subtopics there. Introducing logical equivalence, equivalent simple booleans, equivalent compound booleans, equivalent between conditionals and booleans, combining equivalent rules. All right, the another topic will be that. We'll continue from logical equivalence. So let's put in here logical equivalence. Another topic is that. It will be our new topic. Okay. After conditionals, this is our new topic. down of the below of the programming. All right, let's do it red. Just showing you, and the first topic will be introducing introducing logical equivalence. Yep, this one is like that. Let's do it like red and or let's put line. Yeah. So after that we will represent our subtopics with the blue one. Tag it like that. Okay. This is another topic. Have a good time. Thank you very much for joining. And I will share the logic gates, the text it in there. I mean, in comments in YouTube, the video like below of the video, and I will share the Khan Academy source for this. If you want, you can read in the text. Just I'm trying to show you with the examples with the practice in VS Code. All right. Yeah, there's more. Let's see you in another lesson, which is logical equivalence and subtopic introducing logical equivalence. We will see everything in good way. In Python and in JavaScript, we will learn everything. I will teach you everything. Believe me. Have a good time, guys.